Now just press play.
Whatever you do, don't press the heavy.
Hello.
Hi guys, this is my brother John. Hey, and that's the brother Shay.
Hello.
While he lifts his weights.
Do you want to see cool awesome? The remote. That could be easy.
Be careful with that thing.
Sure, Shay. If you want to go backwards, you can hit rewind button. Pause. If you want some really fast, to the fast forward button. Pause. Rewind. Pause. Slow motion. Okay. Zoom in.
Oh, these warm-ups are always so funny.
And zoom out.
Play. And
Be careful with that thing.
Sure, Shane. Haven't seen this one before. The light button. I wonder what that does. Ooh. The
That's
light
light.
button. Oh, yeah. Ooh, and the heavy button. Oops. Sorry. Light.
Hey, would you like to try? I think so. You got that?
Okay. How light is it?
Very light.
Whoa, that's great. Oh.
Why don't you try pressing the
please?
play button? Oh, that was a heavy button. Shay, are you right?
I got you.
Can you please push the light button?
Oh, that's it. It's much better. Whoa, one finger.
Alright, just hit the play button.
Whatever you do, don't press the heavy.
Ow!
It's okay.
Yeah.
Press play.